This is College Algebra 2, Final Exam Review 1B, Problem 15. The depth of a lake near Deptford can be modeled by the function y equals x plus 9 times x minus 8, where x is the edges of the lake in miles, and y is the corresponding depth. Rewrite the function in standard form. So, part A is just asking me to FOIL. So, y equals first times first is x to the second, outer times outer is negative 8x. Inner times inner is 9x, last times last is negative 72. Combine my like terms, negative 8 and positive 9 is positive 1, so positive 1x. What is the distance from one endpoint of the lake to another? Explain how you arrived at your answer. Alright, so let me draw you a little picture. Here I've got a concave up parabola, and that's the bottom of the lake. Here's the shore. Okay? What is the distance from one point of the lake to the other? Okay, so that would be here. Maybe I shouldn't have drawn that little arch there. Okay, let's make this a dotted line instead. It's that distance right there. Okay, so we want to know the distance between those two x-intercepts. All right, let's find the two x-intercepts. Oh, look, it was given to me in factored form. Let's just set the factors equal to 0. And solve. So here I'm going to subtract 9. X equals negative 9. And I'm getting ahead of myself over here. Let's try this again. X minus 8 equals 0. There I'm going to add 8, so x equals positive 8. Okay, so the one on the right has an x-coordinate of 8, and the one on the left has an x-coordinate of negative 9. Well, how far is negative 9 from 8? Okay, distance. We're going to take the absolute value of negative 9, subtract 8. The absolute value of negative 17. They are 17 apart. 17. X is the edges of the lake in miles. So this is 17 miles. What was the lowest place on the lake? Okay, that's the vertex. Vertex is right here. All right. So we're going to first find the x-coordinate of the vertex, and the vertex has got to be halfway between negative 9 and positive 8. So negative 9, positive 8 divided by 2, that is negative 1/2. Negative 0.5. Let's use decimals. Let's use our calculator and not go crazy with this. Negative 0.5. That's the x-coordinate, all right? But we're looking for the lowest point, all right? So lowest is an up and down measurement. We're really looking for the y-coordinate. So let's plug that negative 0.5 into the original equation. So I've got y equals negative 0.5 plus 9 times negative 0.5 minus 8. All right, again, let's use the calculator. I'm not trying to kill myself here. Negative 0.5 plus 9 is 8.5. And negative 0.5 minus 8 is negative 8.5. All right, let's multiply those two things together. So I've got 8.5 times negative 8.5 gives me negative 72.25. Okay, this is negative because we are going down, all right? 0 is ground level here, and anything below that is negative. All right, so we've got 72.25. Let's use a distance measure. We'll make it positive. And the y is being measured in feet. All right, how far from either end is the lowest point? Remember that these two ends of the lake are 17 miles apart, and that the vertex is exactly halfway between them. So we're just taking 17 and the x being measured in? It's being measured in miles.